Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel and to the walkthrough for this folio album that I just finished up for Country Craft Creations as a design team project. This was using the 6x8 pre-made flipped folio album by Uniquely Creative, as well as their dies to pattern the album, and I also used the Graphic 45 12x12 paper collection Merry and Bright, as well as some Prima flowers and other elements and ribbons. So stay tuned while I show you the finished album here. As I said in the intro, this is a pre-made folio album. It's the Flip Folio by Uniquely Creative, using their dies to cut the Graphic 45 paper collection to pattern this. Super easy to make. Did some decorating with the Prima flowers, so I'm going to show you in a separate video, in a tutorial, how to use the dies, how to pattern all the sections of the folio album, and also to add some extra elements using the dies. So it's a lot of fun to create. I hope you'll join me for the tutorial, which you can click on up above, or I'll have the link down below in my description box. So here on the front, on this flap where it has the scallop, this is the way it folds up. I did use a gold mirror cardstock with the die, and then hand cut the second mat, which is the stripe. I matted some paper scraps here and added a Graphic 45 tag, a cluster of Prima flowers with some of the satin ribbon from Country Craft Creations, punched out some gold leaves with the Tim Holtz die, and then added some twine bow here and another chipboard element there. So it's tied closed with this really pretty 1-inch buffalo check, red and black ribbon that you can get from Country Craft Creations. So that just unties, and then this opens up. So it's held closed with the ribbon. So here on the left side, I used the die to create an extra patterned paper pocket, and then also used the die to punch some gold trim here. Added a chipboard element from Graphic 45 from the collection set, a twine bow, and the rub-ons. I love the rub-ons that you can get for this collection from Graphic 45. So here on the inside, this comes with your pre-made album, is this little fold-up pocket or booklet, which I patterned and left the inside here, the craft, and added the rub-ons. I just thought that gave it a really pretty distinctive look. And I also used a magnet on this to hold it closed. You could use twine if you wanted to, and that just slips into the pocket right there. So this flap opens to the right, which gives you a pocket. You can either choose to leave this as a flap or glue the sides down, which I did to make this a pocket. I added rub-ons from the Graphic 45 collection, as well as a chipboard label. This is the booklet. This comes with the album. It's pre-made. I chose to tie it closed with this satin ribbon, double-sided ribbon from Country Craft Creations. Added a chipboard piece, rub-on bow in the back here, and then this unfolds from the right. So I decided to make a couple of places with some tuck spots here. You could put a photo mat or photo, as well as here on this side to match it. And then I used the die to make a patterned paper pocket where you can tuck in photos or more of the cut aparts right there. So that goes there. Set that aside for now. This section here flips up. I did use one of the chipboard frames, a tag, some of the gold mirror cardstock in here. You could put a photo here. It's open in the top where you can slide it in. This lifts up. It is not held, like, yes, this one is held closed with a magnet, sorry. So it opens up, you have room for pictures up here, couple down here at the bottom. And then with the die, I decided to make a little pattern paper waterfall with the dies. So I cut it out with the die and then made my own 1/2-inch attachments. So you can add more photos here in this waterfall. Then I made a attachment piece here, folded up with the die, cut this out with the die as well, folded it up and made a tuck spot pocket here for more photos or some of the cutter parts from the collection. So that just folds up like that. Like I said, close with the magnet. I just forgot about that. So that is the folio. It's super easy to make. I hope you'll join me in the tutorial, which I'll have the link, as I said, up above in the corner right now. You can click on it, or you can click on the link in my description down below. So I hope you'll join me for the tutorial. It shows you how to put the album together, though there's not really much to put together. It's just folding it. It comes already folded for you, really, and then cutting your pattern papers out. So I'll see you in the tutorial. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to my channel. Click the bell so you'll be notified when I have another tutorial ready. And give me a thumbs up. Plus, always shop at countrycraftcreations.com. Thanks. See you later. Bye-bye.